To the lady on Instagram who wanted our help uncovering her cheating boyfriend, we are not that kind of chat show. I apologize, but if you ever catch him cheating on Call of Duty, give us a call. Are Intel GPUs good now? Are we all sleeping on them, or has it just been me?
The future-proofing thing is almost irrelevant now.
So you want to have a seal from your fan onto your radiator, trapping that air so that it's shoved out the other side and there's nowhere for it to go.
Please think twice before letting AI scan your penis for sexually transmitted diseases.
Like, they already track everything we do online, so it probably doesn't matter. But
Secret Lavishness writes, "Hey guys, I built my first PC the other year, bit of a budget build. Was wondering what to prioritize, any suggestions on products so I don't get chokehold components."
with the 30 series, I always ended up recommending a significantly higher power, like larger power supply than what was recommended by NVIDIA, because you have to be able to account for those peaks.
I went out and got some Just for Men.
You know, it could be a storm, could be anything, but it could also be governmental collapse.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the Chat Show, a tech support panel show where I invite people more qualified than myself to provide you with insights on the latest tech news, provide sage advice on PC building, and direct answers to your PC tech support questions, provided you're watching us live.